Creating a personal brand that attracts the right people. Ever wonder why some cyber friends get booked more often, even when their rates are higher? The answer is simple. They have a clear, consistent personal brand. In this lesson, we'll explore how to create a brand that makes you unforgettable. What is a personal brand? Your personal brand is more than your profile. It's the feeling people get when they see your photo, read your bio, or talk to you. It's how you express your personality and values. It tells people what kind of experience to expect. It helps the right clients find you. Find your style and strengths. Start by asking yourself, what do I naturally bring to conversations? Are you a great listener, a motivator, a teacher, or an entertainer? Do you create a calm space or bring uplifting energy? Choose 1 to 2 traits and lean into them. For example, big sister vibes, deep thinker energy, or creative brainstorm partner. Own what makes you you. Show it in your profile. Your photo and bio are your digital first impression. Make them count. Use a clear, confident, and welcoming photo. Your bio should reflect your personality. Use your natural voice. Include specific interests and examples of what people can expect from a call with you. Stay consistent across platforms. If you share your profile outside the platform, keep your brand consistent. Use the same tone and energy on social media. Share posts or stories that reflect your style. Avoid jumping between too many personas. It confuses people. People don't just connect with services, they connect with stories and personalities. So give your profile a clear identity and make it easy for the right people to say, "That's who I want to talk to."